What's that, Mameng? Come on. Come here. What's that? Come here. Come here. A mouse. Good girl. That's my girl. When I come to my backyard, then she comes bringing that mouse. I thought she wanted to show the presents to me. Okay, I have to get into my house because it's late, and I let them out of my house and they will stay all night in my backyard. They won't run away because it's not their time to go to the forest right now. What are you doing? Hey, you look so happy. Don't eat that, Memeng. Don't eat that. It's not good for you. You do a good job. Okay, let's go inside.